In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Retime Curve in DaVinci Resolve. We'll start right inside DaVinci Resolve, open the app, and head to your timeline so you can work directly with the clip you want to speed ramp. Make sure the clip is selected. Everything we're about to do will apply to that specific piece of footage. First, enable the retime controls. Right-click on the clip in the timeline and choose retime controls. You'll see a retime bar appear across the top of the clip, showing the current playback speed. This bar is your on-clip dashboard for setting where changes begin and end. Next, position the playhead exactly where you want a speed change to start or finish. Precise placement matters because you're defining the boundaries of each speed segment. Click the little drop-down arrow on the retime bar and choose Add Speed Point. This creates a marker called a speed point that tells Resolve from here to the next point is a distinct speed zone. Add another speed point where you want that change to end. With 2 points, you now have a clear segment that can be adjusted independently from the rest of the clip. Now let's visualize and refine the timing. Right-click the clip again and select Retime Curve. A graph appears beneath the clip. This is the speed graph, and it shows how fast your clip is playing over time. Think of the horizontal axis as time and the vertical axis as speed. Flat lines indicate a constant speed. Angled lines show a transition. To change speed, click and drag the curve or select the speed points themselves and move them up to speed up or down to slow down. As you drag, you'll see the percentage or speed value update. Higher values make action snappier. Lower values create slow motion. Keep an eye on your overall timeline as you adjust, because changing speed can also change the clip's duration, which may affect your edit timing. For a professional cinematic speed ramp, smooth the transitions. Click a keyframe on the curve where the speed changes, then click the Bezier handle icon in the curve editor, and this converts sharp, abrupt shifts into gentle ramps. Drag the Bezier handles to shape how quickly the speed eases in and out. Longer handles create more gradual changes. Shorter handles make the ramp tighter. Play back the segment and fine-tune until the motion feels natural and matches the beat or action you're aiming for. That's it. Open Resolve, enable retime controls, add speed points, reveal the retime curve, adjust speed by dragging the curve, and smooth it with Bezier handles. With a few deliberate moves, your footage will flow with polished, dynamic speed transitions.